Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 14 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Phone section. Now click on Device Name. Type in wherever you wish to, if you wish to. In my case, Sunny. And confirm your choice by selecting OK in the pop-up. If you changed your mind, just click on Cancel to discard it. If you decided to choose OK though, you need to click on OK in this pop-up as well. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!